Hello Avishya fans and handloom saree lovers. Today in our handloom saree stories section, we are going to be looking at Assam Cotton Sarees. The northeastern region of our country has got beautiful weaves emanating from the different states of the region. Whether it is Mizoram, Assam, Manipur, different parts of the northeast have got their own beautiful traditions of weaving and very distinctive designs. So it's a very special saree we're going to see today. Today we look at the Assam Cotton Sarees. They've got very specific designs and weaves. Let's take a look at them. Now, let's take a look at this gorgeous, bright canary yellow Assam cotton saree. I'll just open out the saree for you. In Assam cottons, normally the way it's folded, the pallu comes right in front. So, we'll take a look at the pallu first. It's gorgeous, beautiful. It's a glorious pallu. It showcases the best of Assam cotton motifs, Assamese motifs. You see the whole pallu is filled with beautiful tribal and animal motifs. Right in the center, you'll have a row of beautiful one-horn rhinoceros motifs in the center. There's a classic Assamese motif, and in fact, the rhinoceros is the official state animal of Assam. And if you see on both sides, there are beautiful tribal images, warrior or hunter images on both sides of the rhinoceros. And all over on the yellow, it's a beautiful embroidery work in green, white, red, and black. After that, it starts alternating again. So it's a beautiful center panel, and beside the center panel is beautiful, lovely spear kind of motifs come. Very fierce looking spear motifs, which are kind of, in a beautiful chevron formation, but it's very pointed spear like finishes on both sides. And then you come to the very side, the two panels on the sides, it's got lovely floral motifs, beautiful circular or elliptical floral motifs on both sides in red, and that is both sides of the circular motifs. There are nice green chevron motifs on both sides. So it paints a beautiful picture, the pallu. Right at the very edge, of course, there are these spears again, red spears on the beautiful yellow cotton background, which gives a lovely finish to the pallu. Right at the very end, there are beautiful tassels, lovely tassels in alternating colors, a mix of reds, greens, blacks, yellow, lovely tassels at the edge of the pallu. Now let's take a look at the body of the saree. I'll just turn it around for you. This is how it looks. Lovely, beautiful rhinoceros motifs all over the body, alternating colors. The one-horned rhinoceros in green, red, black, and white, alternating from top to bottom. So it's very closely woven and really pretty, lovely work. If you see the reverse, the way the motifs are finished is beautiful, lovely way the work has been done. It's a sight to behold. It's beautiful work, finished so beautifully on the other side. Now, the borders of the saree are the same borders which edge the pallu, which is the circular motifs, floral motif, beautiful circular floral motifs in red, which are there on top and bottom, and that forms the border. Let's take a quick look at the blouse of the saree. The blouse is a lovely canary yellow blouse. This is how the blouse looks. And of course, the edge of the blouse is lovely circular red motif, floral motif, which is there at the border of the saree. So this is how the blouse would look. So together, the blouse, the pallu, and the body of the saree, together they paint a it forms a beautiful combination. The pallu and the blouse and the body of the saree. So it's a lovely classic Assam cotton saree. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you really liked seeing the beauty of the lovely Assamese cotton sarees that we featured today. If you like this video, please hit the like button and the subscribe button so that you keep continuing to get these videos. Now, let's look at this stunning black, dark grey Assam cotton saree. I'll just open out the saree for you. Wow, it's a gorgeous pallu, which is in two sections. On the left-hand side of the pallu, you have these wonderful diamond motifs from top to bottom in large diamond motifs in black and red. Lovely weaving here. And on both sides, you have smaller diamond motifs, which are encased on both sides by beautiful little booties, almost polka dot-like, red and green alternating, bright red and green, fluorescent green on both sides. Gives it a stunning look. And on the very edge of this panel, on both sides, beautiful spears, this fierce Assamese, typical spear motif, which is coming on both sides of the panel. And on the other side, on the right hand side, you have a lovely, beautiful floral motifs, floral booties in red, in green, and beige, beautifully done. Some are small, some are large, and it's interspersed with each other. The large ones and the small ones alternate with each other, and the colors are alternating. So overall, it looks very pretty. So this is the pallu. So let's see what the body of the saree looks like. Yes, beautiful. So lovely. The same formation, the booties, the floral booties continue, but it's more distant from each other. And throughout the body, this beautiful, lovely floral booties continue in multiple colors, in red, beige, and green. Again, the same pattern. The design theme of the pallu continues here. And if you see the borders of the saree, that also has the diamond motifs. And again, on the sides of the flanking the diamond motifs on both sides, there is beautiful, lovely polka dots in red and green, alternating with each other, ending with the lovely 4-clover motif in red. So lovely. It's all typical Assamese motifs and looks so good. And this color is beautiful. It's actually a dark gray. It's almost black, but you can clearly see the texturing of the fabric, the way the weaving is done. You can see the stripes on the body. So the way it's done, it's lovely dark gray. The color is really, really stunning. Let's see what the blouse of the saree looks like. Yes, lovely, beautiful dark gray blouse again. There's a strip of the same border design has been given on the blouse. So this can be used when designing the blouse on the sleeves or the back. Lovely pattern of the border continues here. So overall, this is how the saree looks. The pallu, the blouse, and the body. It's a beautifully designed saree. It's a lovely, typical, classic, dark grey Assam cotton saree. I hope you enjoyed seeing this saree and watching this video as much as I enjoyed showing this to you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and the subscribe button so that you keep continuing to get these videos. Now, let's take a look at this lovely lilac Assam cotton saree. I'll just open it out for you. What a lovely, gorgeous pallu. Fabulous motifs on the pallu. Typical, very, very typical, classic Assamese motifs with beautiful 2-panel diamond motif and alternating with lovely, beautiful, alternating triangular motifs, diamond motifs here, smaller diamond motifs here with the serrated edges on both sides in beige. The center 2 panels in lilac with black diamond rings, and similarly these 3 panels with a smaller diamond formations with the serrated edges in beige and the diamonds in yellow. Color play is really beautiful the way it's been designed. They're also dark violet and black booties which are woven on the sides, and right at the very edge you have beautiful series of paisley and fern motifs alternating with each other. Of course, the pallu ends with the lovely tassels on the side. Right at the very edge, beautiful tassels in black and yellow. So it's a very stylishly designed saree. Let's see what the body of the saree looks like. Lovely booties, beautiful, lovely little Assamese motif. It is almost like the Rudraksha motifs of the south, but it's executed in a typical northeastern Assamese way. Beautiful motifs, 3 colors. There's a black, there's a yellow, and there's a beige alternating with each other. Beautiful booties, and the body is this lovely lilac, and it's woven so beautifully with alternating white reds. So it's got a very, very denim kind of a feel. Beautiful pastel shade, lovely lilac denim finish, and of course the borders have this beautiful row of paisleys and ferns alternating with each other and facing up and down. If you see, there are beautiful polka dots in the center and paisleys and fern motifs on both sides alternating with each other. So overall, the border also looks very, very pretty. Let's see what the blouse looks like. This is how the blouse looks. It's a lovely, beautiful pastel lilac. The same body color continues for the blouse. Beautiful, lovely lilac pastel shade with a beautiful weaving, alternating white and lilac red weaving, which gives it a denim feel. And of course, this entire border design, the up and down paisleys and ferns alternating with each other, stuck together with this beautiful row of polka dots is there. That design element is also there in the blouse, which can be used in the sleeves or the back. The whole thing works beautifully together. The body, the blouse, and the pallu work very, very nicely with each other, and it's a wonderfully designed saree, and you really must come and take a look at this saree in person at our store. The Avishya store is open at 281 TTK Road, Alwarpet. We'll be very happy to show you the entire collection. We have a fabulous collection of Assam cotton sarees in multiple colors. I've been able to show you only very few colors. So please come out to the store, the Avishya store. We have the entire collection here, the Assam cotton collection. You can come, touch, feel, and enjoy the collection and pick up what you like. We'll be very happy to show these sarees to you. For those of you who don't live in Chennai, please log into avishya.com. The entire collection is available online. Our customer service staff will be happy to help you browse this website and select what you like. If you like this video, please hit the like button and the subscribe button so that you keep continuing to get these videos. This month, there's a special offer we are rolling out. The month of RD is here, and the RD offer is being rolled out this month. This awesome RD offer from Avishya entitles you to discounts starting from 5% all the way up to 30%. It's available. So please go online or come to the store and avail of this special RD sale offer. For another bit of news for you, that we've also launched our app. So those of you who want to get a constant notifications on our uploads, please download the Avishya app. It's available on the Play Store and the Apple Store. Please download the app, and you can be sure that all our updates come to you. Thank you.